That was so lame. Start over. Again. Hey guys, it's Kaylee. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a spring clean with me, get organized, whatever you guys want to call it. This is a very needed video. My room, it was clean, but it wasn't like clean. Also lately, I have been a little sick, especially this past week. I've just been super congested. So I thought by cleaning every nook and cranny of my room, it would get rid of as many germs as possible and it would help make me feel better, which is why I didn't post a video last Sunday because I was sick and I didn't really have anything prepared. I didn't want to sit in front of the camera and sound super congested. Also, if you want a room tour, I've been getting a lot of suggestions on that on my Instagram. I'll totally do it. Just give this video a thumbs up. If you guys want to follow my Instagram, I always have it down below. I'll put it on the screen here. It's just at Kaylee.Simmons. I think that's it. So without further ado, let's get cleaning. that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Also comment down below any other video suggestions you guys have for me. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more. And again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!